Welcome to the next video in the how-to series for the HX-2 GPS Navigator from Hema. In the last video we talked about points of interest, and in this video we're going to talk about how to filter those points of interest. Hi, I'm Ian from Hema Maps. In this short video, we're going to talk about filtering your points of interest so you can customise what you see on the screen. In either on-road, off-road or adventure maps mode, you can filter the type of point of interest that you see on the map. Press the filter icon along the top menu. This will bring up 3 columns which are locations, facilities and interests. In my case, I'm going to select locations first and turn them all off except fuel and free camps, for example. I press disable all, then I turn on fuel and free camps, then I press apply. Now the only points of interest that will appear on my map are those 2 categories. The next column is facilities. Facilities filters can be described as must-haves. Whatever you allocate in this section will limit your points of interest to just those with these facilities. If you're unsure, leave them all unallocated to ensure that you see all points of interest. Select apply when you want to confirm your selection. And the final column relates to interests. Any allocations on this list will limit the points of interest you see to just those with the interests that you've chosen. Again, if you're unsure, leave them unallocated to ensure that you see all points of interest. Press apply when you want to confirm your preferences. Note that a light tap on the screen will bring up a menu on the left-hand side featuring 3 icons. Press the middle icon, will turn your POIs off or on as necessary. So as you can see, there's a huge selection of points of interest available to you, and you can customise exactly what you see on the screen just by applying these filters. Just experiment, see how you go.